In this video, I will be showing you how to use Deep Search with Grok. Let's get started. I start on the Google homepage and click on the browser address bar to type in Grok Deep Research and press enter. The search results appear, showing the link to Grok's Deep Research tool. I click on the second result, which opens up the main website at grok.com. I wait a brief moment for the clean, minimalist Grok interface to fully load on my screen. Now, I head back up to the address bar to navigate directly to the specific project link, typing in grok.com/project/deepsearch and pressing enter. The page loads into the dedicated Deep Search environment, displaying options to start a conversation within the project. I see buttons to ask a question or get help with a task, along with a text box at the bottom. I click on the text input area where it says, Ask Anything. To ensure accuracy, I bring up a separate text window where I have my prompt pre-written. Teach me the basics of investing in the stock market. Explain the important terms using simple language. I highlight and copy this phrase, then switch back to the Grok window. I paste the text directly into the chat input bar at the bottom. Once the prompt is perfectly in place, I click the arrow button on the far right to submit my query. The system immediately begins processing, showing a working status indicator. I watch as the counter ticks up second by second while Grok actively conducts its deep research. By the fourth second, it populates a list of what it is doing, including explaining stock market basics, searching the web for beginner terms, looking for simple explanations, and researching how to start investing step by step. It discovers multiple relevant results across the web. By the eighth second, it begins compiling the response and summarizing key points. The processing continues smoothly until the 20-second mark, at which point the final, comprehensive guide is fully generated on screen. I scroll down through the beautifully structured output, which includes key points, an easy-to-understand explanation of what the stock market is, core terms defined in simple language like stocks, brokers, diversification, and market trends, followed by a step-by-step guide on how to get started. Finally, it even lists key citations at the very bottom, complete with the sources used for the deep research. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.